I'm gonna head out. Work on finalizing the deal with the distributors, and I'll see you tomorrow. Or next week, actually.
Yeah!
Yo, Arju, just making sure you're all set for the cargo flight tomorrow. Check the flight info and make sure it says Hyderabad Private Cargo Airway to San Francisco International for 12:45 p.m. tomorrow. Check the correct ticket.
Yes, sir.
Alright, sounds good. Remember to tell them you're the transportation supervisor and show them your ticket so they let you on. See you back in Palo Alto.
Samuel! Samuel, are you in there? Samuel! Go for it. Samuel? What is this stuff in the air? I can't breathe.
We'll be landing in San Francisco Airport soon.
What's this?
Yo, are these packages all yours? This plane's gotta get going in 30 for another client, so you gotta get your packages out of here somehow.
Well, the cargo trucks are gonna be here any second now. Will you please hold on?
Sorry, bro, we got clients to serve.
Hey, bro, but you gotta tell him he can use the rental trucks.
Oh, there you guys are. I've been waiting for the cargo. Finally, boss, you picked up. I don't know what's going on in America. People are way pushier in America than in India.
I'm at Palo Alto Agricultural Laboratory. There's people here. They're trying to kill me or something. I'm hiding behind a dumpster here. Just please come as fast as you can.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. What's going on?
I'll bet you 1 lakh that's an almond company in California. These California almond companies must be making hundreds of crores from all the almond we import into India. What the bloody heck?
Boss, where are you? I've been looking for you. I can't find you. What? Oh, boss, there you are. I've been looking for you. What's going on, boss? Wait, what, boss?
They're eating me!
No, it didn't work.
Hello?
Ah!
Stop! Stop! I'm not a zombie! I'm a scientist
You're
from
a
this lab.
scientist?
I'm a scientist from this lab. Calm down. Calm down, okay. Let me explain this to you. Come here. What I've discovered so far about the virus. So, basically, it started in Palo Alto, right? Palo Alto Agricultural Laboratory, which we know already. And it spread very easily because of the dense population, the humidity, the warmth. It's really good for fostering these fungus. And the forests, obviously, the fungus could infect the forests, all the trees. So all the hikers got infected. They're spreading it across America, obviously. And what I've noticed is in California, we have a lot of exports. So they're exporting a lot to like India, they're exporting to the Middle East, they're exporting to China, Africa. Like, it's crazy. Like, as soon this fungus is going to be all across the world, but so far it's mostly in these regions. And here's a food web I made. There's also an energy pyramid. It's about how this could have spread and like the food chains of this region to show like where this fungus might go next. And then basically, here's what I think this fungus is doing. So I think it obtains its energy by infecting a host and giving it a craving for flesh and meat. The cell walls of the fungus are semi-rigid, causing the fungus to be strong but also be able to intertwine and squeeze into the inside of the host's body structure. The spores probably spread through the air, and using their properties, they get stuck everywhere and grow off of any food or host they find. Sporangium releases spores by the way of the thallus and spreads. The Assomnicota is the type of fungus that thrives in warm and moist conditions. It produces a neurotoxin that crosses the blood-brain barrier. It also affects certain regions of the hypothalamus that control hunger and aggression, which would lead to a craving for flesh and blood. This would be good for the fungus as it would increase contact with open wounds, which could help spread the fungus to other humans more easily by way of spores. After the host's death, the corpse would be a good fertile ground to grow and release spores that could be inhaled and released more. So, a lot of what we need to know comes from the field of neuroparasitology. So I've been reading up on that using this laptop. And so, basically, one of the most important ideas of this topic is neural networks, because of how the host's neural networks would be modified by the parasite to support the parasite's survival and reproduction. Behavioral manipulation is also a very important topic from this field, because experts in the field definitely have to study how parasites manipulate the behavior of the host to increase chances of survival and reproduction. Additionally, studying transmission strategies would provide an understanding of how these organisms reproduce most efficiently. So this could help us with the fungus, so we can learn how it reproduces and how to stop it from spreading further. And a vector is an organism that does not cause disease, but it transmits infection by conveying pathogens from host to host. Another thing is zoonosis. That's basically diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans. So another one is PITT, pitch, I don't know. It's a phenomenon where parasites make the host susceptible to predation in order to move the parasite up the food chain. Cordyceps unilaterus. It's known for infecting ants and manipulating their behavior. Ants that are infected or controlled they become controlled or compelled to get to a high point and hang on using their mandibles, which is ideal for the fungus to grow and release spores. So our fungus could compel the host to get close to a bunch of other people and open wounds in them to spread the fungus most effectively. And once the host is close to their demise, death, whatever, so basically that's it. We need to defend ourselves from this infection however we can, because we cannot become zombies.
So there's no antidote or cure?
Oh, I forgot to tell you about the turmeric. So basically, turmeric is really effective in fighting this fungus. We both obviously eat a lot of turmeric because it's used a lot in Indian cooking. And so that's why I'm alive right now. My body fought off the fungus levels. So all the other scientists in the lab became zombified. And that's who you saw outside. Those were the guys attacking you. Those were all other scientists who were working at this lab just a few days ago. So, yeah, basically.
Dang. So is there like, so you're saying I can use this even if I'm like almost, my body's almost fully taken over?
Well, no. So this turmeric, it kills the fungus well, right? But once the fungus has taken up a certain part of your body, it's taken control of that part of your body. Killing the fungus means killing you. So most of the zombies who are even like slightly infected, they're already pretty much too far gone because it already has a control of their mind, it has a control of their body, their bodily functions. It's all controlled by the fungus at that point. So we can't have any mercy for these things. We just need to fight them.
So what's this infection even called?
They're calling it pischacha, named after the Indian flesh-eating demons. So that's the widely known name for it now.
Interesting. Anyways, what were you saying?
We need to prepare tonight because we need to get out of there and try and defeat this thing.
Yeah. Sounds
Okay,
good.
so let's get some rest. What? Why are you watching this at like 5 a.m.?
Well, I just realized there's a TV in here, so I thought I might as well watch since I can't sleep. You wanna also watch as well?
This is an emergency alert message. This is not a test. This warning is for the following areas, states located on the east coast of the United States and surrounding areas. It is very likely that this message will apply to other areas of mainland United States in addition to non-mainland states.
Why are they putting this out already? How far is this
Fungal
spread?
outbreak has occurred. It is highly contagious and lethal. Please stay in your homes and do not panic.
Yo, what? News apps all around the world are saying that this fungus has spread through India. That can't be possible unless...
It's mutated. It's no longer resistant to anything. The turmeric no longer fights it anymore. The only thing left to do is run. We need to go.
Bumpy or bulging skin, wheezing and yelling at a rate higher than usual, and or bleeding through the mouth, nose, or ears. Further information will be provided when available. This is not a test. This is not a test.
Where are we even going? What's the plan?
We're going to a nuclear bunker, a secret nuclear bunker near us. I'm going to my car. We need to get out of here. Hopefully that nuclear bunker will allow us to survive as long as we can. Follow me.